Hey y'all, I'm back. Now before I get into the Jersey haul, I came home and found a bag. Just my little thrift bag that I carry from 4th of July. And it was stuff in it from my thrift store down here. I tell you, it's too much stuff. So it was only 3 pieces, so let me show y'all real quick what I picked up. Isn't this fabulous? Pretty burnt orange. And I don't even, oh, there's the price. This was 99 cents. 99 cents. Okay, that isn't this fabulous? I remember as a child, my mom used to have something like this, and she would fill it up with all her fruits, the walnuts, and everything for her Thanksgiving table. And that just reminded me of our Thanksgiving when my grandfather was alive. I found these blue shot glasses. They were 49 cents. And if you watched one of my thrift hauls, I had collected all that cobalt blue. So this is just another part of that video. And then lastly, from the thrift store down here, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7-piece set, y'all. Y'all see this? It's got to get washed, of course. And it was $1.99. I'm gonna try to show you, but I don't want it flipped. You get the salt and pepper, the butter dish, 3 Captain containers, and then you get the tray. $1.99. Okay now. So have you been following me? My last thrift haul, I had showed y'all this fabulous ombre silver set. And I paid $2.49 for it. Let me see the price, $2.49. And I was telling y'all how I would use it like on my bar to have the different condiments and stuff in it. Now we're moving into the Jersey thrift store. Now, if you've been following me for the past year, when I first started my thrifting on this channel, I always revert back to my grandmother and my great aunt, how we used to go thrifting on Wednesdays because it was like 50% off for seniors. And there's this thrift store in New Jersey called the Red, the White, and the Blue. And I haven't been there in years. Let me show you. Set this down now. I'm breaking nothing up. I found the bowls. 5 of them. Okay. Bam. I found the set. This thrift store, y'all, I don't know how y'all shop up there, but it was $12.99. You see that? $12.99, and I probably could have got it $3 down here in North Carolina. So I had to come all the way up to Jersey to find the set that goes with this. This was $2.49. This was $12.99. And I looked it up. This is the salad bowl, and then you have, you know, your salad little bowls to go with it. Fabulous. $12.99. This is probably the most expensive piece that I have ever thrifted. My channel ain't called If It Ain't Cheap. I'm not buying it for a reason. But because I was out of state, and shout out to Mr. Will, I will put his link I will put his link up. He told me that he had just got rid of glasses that would have been perfect for this set. But it's okay because I have my Dorothy throat glasses. So when I do that tablescape, you will see all these pieces. So shout out to you, sir. If you come across those glasses, please hit me up. If it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it at hotmail.com. And that's for anybody that comes across anything that goes with this set. I will pay reasonable amount. And then next at the red, white, and blue, I was like hesitant. This was $9.99, y'all. $9.99. And it has, this is all taped in there. It has a little ice cube thing in gold. The gold handle, little ice bucket. Now $9.99, a little high. This is vintage. I know it's vintage. I haven't did any research on it, but this is one of the first stores I had to go back to childhood memories as a young woman. You know, shopping with my grandmother and my Aunt Thelma. So I had to go in there, and I think I spent about $25 just on these two pieces. I was kind of crazy for 2 days. I said, I'm not thrifting no more in Jersey while I'm up here. You know, because $25 would last me for the whole month, you know, down here in North Carolina. And as I reiterate, I told y'all that I have to bend down, so I may be out of the camera because I got a lot of fabulous stuff, and I am not at my normal station where I film. So being that this is the biggest piece that's in this box. Now, if you watched my shop with me with Miss Marsha from Simply Divine at 70, we went to New Hope, Pennsylvania, Peddler's Village, and bam, what I found. Crystal and gold. And it was $4.50. Now I told my mother, I said, now this is the type of store I like. $4.50. This thing is heavy. And it turns. Top part turns. $4.50. $4.50. Y'all see how fabulous this is? This is better than the copper two-tier I got for $12.99 at Home Goods. Okay. Now I'm just digging in the box, nothing in order. Then I found this candy cane big candle, and this was $2.50. So I really don't smell any scent to it, but I'm gonna light this up, and this is gonna be fabulous in the house. And I'll tell you, child, when they packed this box, I got a box down here. So, and I'm kind of forgetting what I actually got. Oh yes, I remember this. You see that design? Now, y'all been following me, and when I was upset, I had the big wine goblets, and remember I broke 2 of them? This is the pattern that goes with it. And this was $1.50. $1.50. So as I'm showing you, I'm gonna rewrap it because it's going to storage. Oh, I forgot about this. Oh my goodness. Little miniature kickstand. And this was $1.50. I mean $2.50. I thought this was really pretty. This will go with the pattern that I got, I think for like $2.49, a whole box of dishes and everything. I'm gonna try to find that video and put that iPort up for y'all to see. this. You may have seen that in the shop with me. Same pattern as that creamer, and this was $2.50. Now, I didn't do any research, and they do have fabulous labels, the trademarks on the back, so I will be looking all of this up. But I thought this was pretty. Goes with my glasses. Oh, Lord, I forgot what I got in this box. Oh, yes, I did show y'all this with the shop with me. This is $4, and this is marble. And it is heavy. Marble down here. Then you have your glass dome. Nice cheese container, or whatever you choose to use it. Put some biscuits in here, you know. So that was a good deal for $4.50. Okay. Oh, let's see what these are. Ooh. I got the silver. Now, y'all been following me. I ain't gonna even tell y'all what these is. Vintage silver, and I got 3 of these. Okay. I'm not gonna wrap all 3 of them because I want to keep this video moving. Oh, and I forgot about these. Oh, I forgot about these. Wrap these up really nice. And then there is a large one down here. So let me just throw the worms in. Maybe a little spongy thing is missing on that. Oh, that one goes over here. Alright, so I threw the worms in so you can kind of see. See that? And this one was $3.50. Hopefully you can see it. I don't think you'll be able to see it. Look how pretty that is. That's the daddy, and then here's the mama. I do have the arms. I took the arms out so they wouldn't, you know, get busted up. I have to do that off camera, but you see these? So you got the daddy, you got the mama, and then you have Junior. Isn't that adorable? Now he was $2, $3.50 each for the taller ones. And this is going to go fabulous for Christmas. Now, if I had a lovely entryway from my old place, I would sit these right when you come in the house, you know, and then maybe have this candle burning. Beautiful. I don't have the receipt with me right now, so everything is still in my suitcase, but for all of this was $30. Probably 30 and some change. And the great thing about this thrift store that we went to up in New Hope, Pennsylvania, is that they give you a card and they punch it for every $15 that you spend. And this is the thrift store that my mom goes to, Miss Marcia. So I just gave her, you know, the card. She had a, you know, 2 punches on her card, and I think it's like 8 punches, you get free $15 worth of items. And you know, Miss Marcia, she already had the card punched, so you know, I just helped her out a little bit. All right, so I'm gonna pack that up. So once again, thank you for coming to watch my Jersey thrift haul. I can't wait for y'all to see part 3. I got some good stuff. It may be part 3 or part 4. I done lost track by now. But make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn that notification bell on, and leave me a lovely comment and let me know what you thought of the items that I found while I was in New Jersey. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.